Whoa! Oh, this is slick. Whoa, that's a big rut. Autumn. What I love about this bike, right, is the crawling speed. Look at it. Lost traction, gaining traction. Lost talent, gaining talent. Look at this. It just keeps going. It's like a tractor. Oh, I love this bike. Come on. No, not right at the top. Oh, okay. Well, we basically made it. I could cut that bit out. Oh, I probably might have made that then. I want to see how he does. So easy on that. So the TPI just seems to snap a bit earlier. You got to ride a TPI like this. So easy, isn't it? So easy. It's weird how the weight that one. Slam it. Yeah, it's weird. The weight placement must be different.
Just at no point did it want to spin the wheel.
No, you just crawl up anything. It's kind of a cheating bike, isn't it?
It's almost like a track.
This one did all right until there.
Really well.
Until there, it just spun.
You got way further than I did. I noticed it
Feels nice though. This. Here he comes. Where's he off? He's going diagonal. Wonder if this get up here now. Go on! Oh. Oh, it's okay. Nice! I didn't think I'd make it on this. Yeah, my bike is like a cheating bike. It just tractors up. This one you have to gas it a little bit.
You have to ride them different, don't you?
Way different. TPI to that is so different.
It is like cheat levels.
That's way more. I don't know. It might. Is it the weight placement or something? But or probably the motor, is it?
Power's delivered.
Yeah, this one snaps. So it gets to a certain point and just wants to snap.
So that's the power valve on
yeah.
the spring.
Yeah. Electric, isn't it? Yeah. That's crazy.